As the winding road leads through the mountains of the Costa Blanca, an ancient village begins to emerge, Guadalest. Perched high on a rocky cliff, it has witnessed centuries of history unfold, standing tall and steadfast as time ebbs and flows around it. The whitewashed buildings gleam in the sunlight, offering a glimpse into a past where mystery and history intertwine. Guadalest is no ordinary village. Its charm is timeless, but the village hides deeper secrets, stories of battles fought, treasures hidden, and legacies passed down through generations. Visitors arriving in this captivating place are greeted by narrow streets winding between traditional homes and shops. Local vendors proudly offer delicacies like honey, olive oil, and handmade crafts. The air is filled with the scent of almonds and fresh pastries, local products that have been part of this region for centuries. Each corner offers a new discovery, inviting exploration and curiosity. Guadalest's story stretches back over 1,000 years to the 8th century, during the Moorish occupation of Spain. Recognizing the strategic significance of its position high above the valley, the Moors built a fortress here, commanding views over the valleys and the Mediterranean Sea in the distance. The fortress was designed to defend against any potential invaders, a symbol of Moorish strength. From here, they could control the surrounding lands and protect their people. As time went on, Guadalest grew into a fortified village, a center of power for the Moors. The castle, known as Castillo de San Jose, stood as a guardian over the village. Built into the natural rock formations, the castle became an impregnable fortress, witnessing many battles as Christians attempted to reclaim the region. In 1244, after a long siege, the Christians finally reconquered Guadalest. The castle was severely damaged during the siege, but the Christians rebuilt it, and over the centuries, it became the home of noble families. The journey through Guadalest's history doesn't stop there. The 11th century Castillo de San Jose is a focal point of the village's story. This castle, originally a Moorish stronghold, later became a symbol of the village's endurance. It has witnessed battles, sieges, and natural disasters, including earthquakes and floods that have shaped the landscape. Despite these challenges, the castle has stood the test of time. Today, the castle welcomes visitors to explore its ancient walls and corridors. The cool shade of palm trees surrounds its entrance, and the iconic white tower looms against the deep blue sky, offering panoramic views over the valley and beyond. The sight of the Mediterranean Sea on the horizon reminds visitors of Guadalest's strategic importance through the ages. Stepping inside the castle walls, history comes alive. The centuries-old furniture has been carefully preserved, providing a window into the lives of the noble families who once called this place home. One such family, the Denia family, ruled over Guadalest for more than 300 years. The Orduñas were originally from the Basque country and rose to power after the Christian reconquest of the region. Their wealth and influence grew over time, and they became the dominant force in Guadalest, controlling the village and the surrounding lands. The family's home, now known as the Casa Orduña, has been transformed into a museum, offering visitors a glimpse into the life of nobility during the 17th and 18th centuries. Walking through the halls of Casa Orduña, the air seems thick with history. The furniture, still intact, includes rich wooden chairs, ornately carved beds, and tapestries that tell stories of prosperity and power. The rooms have been carefully restored to reflect how the family once lived, from the grand reception rooms to the intimate private quarters. Each piece of furniture is a reminder of the wealth and influence the family once wielded. The family's library is a particular highlight, filled with books on science, philosophy, and history. These rare manuscripts are a testament to the family's intellectual pursuits, showing their thirst for knowledge and understanding of the world. However, despite their wealth and power, the Ordionas were not immune to tragedy. During the War of Spanish Succession, the Orduña family's home was looted and burned. The family faced numerous personal losses and challenges throughout the centuries, but they remained dedicated to their land and the village of Guadalest. Despite these tragedies, they rebuilt their home and continued to live in Guadalest until the family's influence waned. The mysteries surrounding Guadalest go beyond the stories of its noble families. Legends tell of hidden treasures buried within the castle walls, treasures that were left behind by the fleeing Moors. For centuries, treasure hunters have scoured the village in search of these riches, but to this day, they remain undiscovered. Some say that the treasure is protected by a curse, ensuring that it remains hidden from those who seek it. Others believe that the treasure was buried so well that it has been lost to time, hidden away in secret chambers that have yet to be found. Even modern technology has failed to uncover these hidden rooms. Attempts to scan the area using advanced equipment have revealed unusual anomalies beneath the castle grounds, but the exact location of the treasure remains a mystery. Could it still be waiting to be found, guarded by the spirits of those who once lived here, or is it lost forever to the sands of time? Beyond the castle, Guadalest offers some of the most breathtaking views in the region. The turquoise waters of the Guadalest Reservoir stretch out below, framed by rugged mountains and rocky cliffs. The reservoir, created in the 1950s, submerged part of the old village, but today it provides a striking contrast to the ancient stone walls and narrow streets of the village above. The water's vibrant blue hue creates an almost otherworldly scene, reflecting the beauty and mystery of the village itself. From the upper plaza, the view is nothing short of spectacular. The mountains encircle the village, cradling it in their natural fortress. The landscape has remained largely unchanged for centuries, offering a glimpse into the past. Visitors who stand here, gazing out over the valley and the distant mountains, can't help but feel the weight of history all around them. The sense of peace and tranquility contrasts with the village's turbulent past, but the mysteries of Guadalest are never far from the surface. The village church, Our Lady of the Assumption, stands as a quiet sentinel over the village. Built in the 18th century, the church has been a place of worship and refuge for generations of villagers. Its simple, elegant design reflects the spiritual heart of the village, and it has survived wars, earthquakes, and the passage of time. Locals believe that prayers offered here still carry the weight of centuries of devotion. Guadalest is more than just a village, it is a living monument to the past. Its walls hold secrets, its streets echo with stories, and its mountains stand as silent witnesses to the unfolding of history. Each visitor who walks through the village's gates is invited to uncover its mysteries, to connect with a past that is still very much alive. The village continues to captivate visitors, drawing people from all corners of the world who seek to experience its beauty, history, and legend. For those who come to Guadalest, the experience is unforgettable, a journey through time and a glimpse into the unknown. For those fascinated by the stories of lost treasures, hidden chambers, and ancient mysteries, Guadalest holds a unique allure. It is a place where the past feels ever present, where each stone and each wall seems to whisper tales of those who came before. Visitors leave with more questions than answers, eager to return and discover even more. If If you've enjoyed exploring the rich history and mysteries of Guadalest, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. There's always another story waiting to be told, another secret waiting to be uncovered. Join us for the next journey, and let's see where history takes us next.